Hello. I welcome you all once again. And as you already know, this is your online mathematics tutor, Comfort Amuakwata. And I would like to use this opportunity to thank all of you for the massive support you've been giving to me so far. So, for hitting 1K subscribers, and I'm entrusting that our future will indeed be great. And indeed, we are going to prove that mathematics is easier. So in this case, I promised to make this video a live one, but due to some technical challenge, it couldn't come off. But it is promising also that this section will be very, very interesting as usual. So before me, I have some items over here. This is item number 1, 2, and 3. Then I have my thread here plus my ruler. So I'm going to pick each item, then find the circumference of each item and record our answer. And after that, I'll measure the diameter of each item as well and record our answer down. Then we divide the circumference by the diameter to prove our answer. So when we talk about circumference, I believe you know what a circumference is. It is the distance around a plane figure. So we are going to take the measurement of the total distance around this shape. So we round the thread around it. Good. Okay. And we take the accurate measurement on the ruler. Perfect. And we are getting 23.6 centimeters. So we record our answer. Then we take the diameter of the same item. Okay. And I believe you know what a diameter is. Okay, line dividing a circle into 2 equal parts. Good. This is a thread dividing the circular object into 2 equal parts. So I'll take the measurement on the ruler. Great, and that is giving me 7.5 centimeters. Then after that, we divide the circumference by the diameter. And that is giving me 3.146. There is no SI in it because the centimeter dividing another centimeter will cancel out. Good. Then we pick item number 2. Item number 2 is here, and we take the circumference of that item as well. So how do we do it? Great. We round the thread around it. Okay, good. And we pick the measurement on the ruler. So we put on the ruler and pick its measurement. And we are getting 19.5 centimeters. Then we take the diameter of the same item by taking the distance or dividing the circular object into 2 equal parts. And that is what we are seeing. We pick the measurement, we put on the ruler, and pick its measurement. What are we getting? Great. 6.2 centimeters. Then after that, we divide it as we did for the first item. and that will give us 3.145. Good. And I believe you know why I didn't add the SID to it, the centimeters to it. They cancelled out over here. So picking the third item around the thread, around it, good, to take its circumference. Okay, great. That is what we are having over here. What do? We put it on the ruler. Okay, and that is giving us somewhere, okay, that is 17.3 centimeters. Then we pick its diameter. So we cross it on the head to take the diameter as well. Okay, we divide it into 2 equal parts. Okay, let's take the measurement over here. Good. That is giving us 5.5 centimeters. So let's record it down. Then as usual, we divide it. So this becomes by observation, we can see that they are all around 3.14 something. You get it? So you can pick so many items and prove it yourself. Do you understand it? So we can say that due to the experiment we've done so far, we can conclude that pi is constant. But the Greek people use a symbol for pi as so when you see something like this, it's the same as what? Pi. Good. And through that also, we can also prove something, because we had our pi to be C over D, where C is the circumference and D is the diameter. So we can also prove that circumference of a circle, we are going to make our simple change of subject over here. We are going to make C the subject. So making C the subject over here, it becomes that is pi times D, where D is the diameter. But you know that diameter is also the same as what? Twice of a radii or radius. Do you understand it? When you have a diameter and you divide it into 2, you get what? A radius. So 2 radii comes together to give you what? 1 diameter. So we can also say that C is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. So thank you so much. This is our proof. I will encourage you to do more on your own. So you get so many items, then you find the circumference of those items and as well as its diameter. After that, you divide them and you will observe the answers you'll be getting. And due to that, you can confidently say that pi is constant. Thank you for watching this with me. I believe you are going to subscribe, like, and share to your friends as well. So till we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. Bye.